G1's what's up? Anong bago? Ayan ang... Ano yan? Oh, that's the ground meat of Beb's Good Kitchen. Gagawin natin, gagawa tayo ng burger patty. Nilagyan ko lang ng carrots and then onion for the country filling. And then, ang iyahang dressing, simple as mayo and mustard. It's all vegetarian. I put lettuce and then, ayan, nandyan ang burger. And then, ayun, naglagay ulit ako ng dahon kasi I really love lettuce. Pwede yung dagdagan ng onion, yung pipino at kamatis at bombay. Kaya lang ako ang nilagay ko lang caramelized onion. And then I add something to it kasi may gusto kong i-try sa kanila. That is actually na vlog ko na post ko na yun. That's the egg of Beb's Good Kitchen. Ayan, yan yung egg nila. Is crumble. Ang sarap-sarap. Promise. Thank you guys so much for watching.